Mama
Ejiro. Where they carry your boss they go?
Mama Ejiro, I thought they go back Alangwa. I supposed to go marry. Husband no go and sleep for the night. Every night, man, they snore. They snore like.
He shock you.
The next night, he goes snore like lion on our dog. I don't marry again. One day, we have to say wolf don't come carry me. So I don't dey go back my father's house again.
Commercials. Nah, Snorri they make you go back.
That is 12 years of marriage.
Nah, Snorri won't make you back.
I don't go.
Your husband smell like dog. Smell like lion.
He go
Now you
there
won't
for
make you
your
back.
house where you dey sleep because you have say wolf don't come carry me. So they go. People they smell like snake.
Yeah, your house don't turn to zoo.
Na zoo country. I know the zoo apartment. Men there with in children them. Ejiro and Mama Ejiro. Who are the brothers them? I beg they put eye for them. I beg, yeah. My husband will come my father place. Come bail me.
You be mumu.
Like, police.
You think say they wise?
They come bail. I don't go.
Mumu man.